Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file. I've already taken it apart, trying to figure out what he's getting. He's getting these lines. It's because the lines are like separated, and he's doing it probably correctly, but I've done it without. And well, there is with, here is without. So what we want to do is let's just start from scratch. Draw that polygon. Hit P. And now I want to take, I'm going to do this thing first. I'm going to go from the 2-point line from the center outwardly. Now I'm going to get an ellipse. I'm going to take that line. I'm going to put it right there in the center. Now I'm going to take these, you almost have to do these steps. Get that. But these are 3 different parts. So we could try, let's try welding it first and see if that works. And now we can Control D, alternate C, and rotate that 120 degrees, Control D. And then I'm going to draw the other lines that are going to make up the cube from that node to that node, from that node to that node, and from that node to that node. Now here's the key factor. I'm going to select it all. Well, I'm going to make it all 16 points. And you can see I don't have any run out now, but I'm going to go and convert the outline to an object. Okay. First, my weld didn't work on this. So what I'm going to have to do is take, as a matter of fact, I can do all these at one time. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and join curves and have it join those 2 curves. Same thing here. You've got to select it for, hit apply. You can do this, hold down the shift and select that in case you're afraid you're going to get that. So now we're going to select it all and convert the outline to an object. Well, let me show you why. Okay, that one's not an object. We're going to make this one an object. Here's why we convert it to an object. If we take this one and fill it in with the Smart Fill tool, let's say that same blue, it takes away the line because in Corel, that line is still a hairline until you convert it to an object. And then you could take this and fill these in. And if you wanted that same color of that blue, you could just get the color eyedropper tool would be the best. Take a sample, fill that one, and that one in. I don't know if he needs the green line, but he can make the line green if he wants to. But see, now I don't have anything over. And see, if you don't convert it to an object, you're going to get that. And then even if you take this and make it a 16-point line, you're going to get that. Because you're making, what it is you're making every line is like double. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit and wasn't too confusing, and thank you for watching.